Hi, and welcome to Google Forms, 10 essential tips, soup to nuts, to creating a Google Forms survey using pretty much all of the features. My name's Allison Malika. You can find me at edtrekkers.com, learn more about me at allisonmalika.com, and email me at allison@edtrekkers.com. In this webinar training, we are going to create a Google form, a fundraising survey, soup to nuts. This is geared toward anyone who uses Google Workspace for professional purposes. It's not specifically for teaching or classroom, but it certainly will help. We'll use the key features, build a form in 10 easy steps, so perfect for beginners, but also providing tips and tricks for those who are more seasoned users. So with each element, you'll learn something new. So this is going to be broken down in a series of separate videos for each step on this playlist. And this is just an introduction to the playlist. So go ahead and proceed to the next video where we will get started creating a fundraiser survey.